How to order, buy or purchase in Nike app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can order, buy or make a purchase in the Nike app. Now, unlike any other shopping apps or websites, you can do the similar in order to make a purchase or buy an item in the Nike app. Now you can do so on the Nike app or the browser as well. Now in my case, I'll be showing you here on the browser. If you do it on browser, it's nike.com. If you want to download the app, you can simply head into your Play Store or App Store, and from there you can search in for Nike and you can download it. Now once you're there, what you want to do is you want to log into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. Now you can see at the very home page, you can see the shop option. You want to simply tap on shop option, and there it'll take you to shop option where you'll be able to browse through their items here. Now you can see various options. You can head into shoes, top t-shirts, search, hoodies and pullovers, sports bars. Now you want to simply open up an item that you want to buy, and once you do so, what you want to do is here, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to view product details. Simply tap on view product details if you want to view the product details, and if you scroll down, you'll be able to select the size. You'll be able to select the size guide, and you want to simply tap on add to bag, and it'll be added to your cart or to your bag. Now once it's been added to your bag, you want to simply tap on checkout option in order to check out, in order to make a purchase. Once you tap on checkout, or if you head into your bag option there, and there you'll be able to check out there in your bag. Now here you can see one item checkout. It might take some time to load up, and you want to add in your delivery address, and you want to simply tap on save and continue. And once you enter in your delivery address, you want to enter in your payment details, and once you do so, you'll be able to make an order. So this way you can order or make and purchase in Nike. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.